I never saw much of that fight on the news. How did you take down Electro?
Well, first, I absorbed all of his electricity, and then I gave him a taste of his own medicine.
Awesome. I've never beat him like that, actually. He's been pretty tough when I fought.
Yeah, I guess these electricity powers I have is really useful when it comes to a fight against him.
Yeah, since he's made of electricity. You sure gave him a real shock.
Ah, I see what you did there.
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta teach me some Spider-Man clips sometime, you know that, right?
Yeah, I know, man. Uh, but... Oh, that's our train. Man, we gotta go. We see there?
Race you there.
Hey man, I'm here. Where are you?
I'm still getting used to this. Coming right now, Pete. Oh, shoot. Gotta catch that train.
Imagine losing.
Yeah.
Well, I've got to go now. Aunt May's waiting on me. But I'll see you later.
Yeah, if I don't get back in time, my mom's gonna kill me.
Alright, see you, man.
See ya.